If I try to run any npm commands like npm init or even npm-v, I get this error that says file npm.ps1 cannot be loaded because running scripts is disabled on the system. So this happens because PowerShell blocks the ps1 scripts because your script execution is disabled. To check if your script execution is disabled or not, you can check get dash execution policy dash list, hit enter, and here as you can see the current user is restricted. So to unrestrict this, just enter this command, set execution policy restricted, sorry, not restricted, my bad. Enter this command, remote signed, and set the scope to current user. And now if you check current user, the execution policy is set to remote signed. Now if you run npm commands, as you can see, it will work well. Now if your npm commands are still not running even when you've set it to remote signed, what you can do is you can set the execution policy for current user to unrestricted. Now this is quite unsafe because it will allow you to run any script, whether it is local or not local or signed or unsigned. But if that's what you want to do, try this. And after this, if you check the execution policy list, as you can see, current user is also set to unrestricted. Now you can run any commands without any problems. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.